before the thought moves. I feel the assignment. There's a space before noise where intention sets. I've learned how to stand where sound waits. I learned the weight of my own attention. What pulls at me, what earns permission. Some knocks rehearse my past, some speak rehearse pain. But truth doesn't rush me, it arrives where sound waits. I don't chase volume, I recognize source. What's sent to distract me arrives frantic and force. I stand where sound waits, not frozen, aligned, not late. Before words form, before doubt breaks, I stay awake where sound waits. I stay awake where sound waits. I stay awake where sound waits. Systems repeat, I don't dissolve, I slow the loop, I resolve. Impulse speaks fast, I answer clean. Discipline isn't denial, it's choosing what feeds. I don't argue with echoes, I don't chase every gate. I remain positioned where sound waits. Where sound waits. I was trained in the quiet, where reactions expire, where restraint sharpens force and obedience is fire. Power behaves when it's governed by truth. I don't rush release, I let time and choose it. I stand where sound waits, signal intact, no waste. I don't force storms, I manipulate authority lies where sound waits. I stepped through heat without proving a thing. Came back fluent in what pressure brings. Hunger made offers, I let them pass. Anger wanted keys, I kept the glass. The room stayed ordered, the signal stayed true. I didn't seize control, I remember you. Some thoughts arrive loud, but lack a source. Some memories knock, but don't carry force. I separated signal from injury. What tried to name me didn't author me. I persist, not tense, I resist no offense. I don't starve my joy, I starve offense. Peace isn't passive, it's trained and awake. It knows when to move and when sound waits. Stay, stand, mind armored, cadence calibrated. Breathe under command, never panicated. Static talks, but I stay untranslated. Signal clean, source authenticated. Speed in my veins, but I don't outrun grace. I don't fire early, I hold my place. Power restrained is the highest state. I move on time, I know where sound waits. Remove, not wrestle, silence, not chase. What accused me, lost structure and face. I'm not divided, I'm not driven by lack. I don't fight for ground, I advance from intact. The conflict existed, but the verdict was sealed. I don't wonder who's ruling, I know who revealed. Oh, I live where sound waves, not afraid, not delayed. After the fire, after the shakes, I speak from rain.